Here is a quick rundown of my closet. These two on the side are two bookshelves. I can't remember if I got them from Walmart or Target, but it's one of those bookshelves. So in this section here, I have some of my nice pants hung, and then I also have my matching sets. Folded down here are all my sweatshirts, and hung down here are all of my dresses. In this section here, I have jackets. I try to keep it organized by colors, and then underneath my black jackets, I have like some long sleeves, some of my shrugs. I have a lot of shrugs. And then here I have all of my jeans. This is gonna be the hardest for me to get rid of. I have so many cool jeans, but I have been also finding so many cooler jeans that it's kind of time for me to get rid of some of these so that I can fit in the new ones. I literally have no space for anything in my closet, so that's why I'm doing this video. And then here I have a Walmart clothing rack. It's like a double tier clothing rack. I have some denim jackets, in my opinion way too many for one person to have. Like, why do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 denim jackets? Is crazy. And on the second tier, I just have some nicer tank tops, long sleeves. I want to do something different with this rack. And then in this dark little corner, I have my dresser. On the top, I have tank tops. In the middle, I have pants. And on the bottom, I have skirts. The Ed Hardy zip up, definitely keeping. I wear this all the time. Oversized varsity jacket, I wear all the time. This is a keep. It's a cable knit zip up jacket. I'm keeping this. A black denim jacket, gotta have it.
It looks good.
Yeah, it does look good.
And you wear that before?
I never wear it. But you gotta have a leather jacket, right? Oh my gosh, this is a vibe. I'm gonna do this Princess Polly leather pants, definitely a keep. OG American Apparel disco pants. This is a Artifact Express pinstripe pants. I'm gonna let those go. Black Dickies. I think I'm also gonna let go too, because I kept them thinking, yeah, I'm gonna wear them. We don't want to wear some black pants, but oh wait, these fit me really nicely. What? I'm keeping these. Wait, let me try on the other ones. Maybe that'll change my mind. Hey, these fit kind of good too. I'm keeping them. Look how cool the bottom is. A pair of capris that I got from Target. I wore these so much. You can see like where my belt was. But let me tell you, they lived a very happy life. These are some insane metallic pants. Pretty sure my mom gave me from her closet. So definitely can't get rid of them. Okay, the moment that I personally have been waiting for is going through my jeans. So my most recent pairs are actually not thrifted. This is a pair of jeans that I got from Ross, 100% cotton. Definitely a keep. These are another pair from the same brand, bought at a different time at Ross, and they're a barrel jean. And I have these Miss 60 jeans with the red stitching. Oh, so cute, so perfect. I'm literally obsessed. Like, these are a dream come true. They're a brand called First. I think I'm gonna let these go. These are a pair of apple bottom jeans. Definitely not letting these go. Miss Me jeans. Oh yeah, perfect. Obsessed. I have these dark wash pair. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these. Like, hello. These fit so good. I don't think I'll let these go. These I'm gonna let go. These Urban Outfitter jeans, definitely a keep. Low rise Levi's. Oh yeah. Max denim. These also fit super good. Telepatía. They're like some type of Colombian jean. Oh good, they make my body look tea. So I have to keep them. These also fit pretty flattering, and I think the wash on them is pretty cool and different. So I'm gonna keep them. These I might let go. I did add elastic band in them for the waist to fit better, and it just looks crazy. These are a pair of denim that I made like a couple years ago. I removed the pockets, I added them on the side. I used another pair of pants and I put it on the bottom, which was really like a very genius thing of me to do. Another pair of jeans that I did that stupid elastic band. Like, look how ridiculous this looks. Look at this. It has a hole cut out in the front. Very, very sexy, very revealing. These definitely keep me. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. And all of these are thrifted, by the way. Really cool. Really different. These are like so wide leg and grungy and cool and different. Helmet Lang jeans that were my mom's, and I begged her to give them to me. I wear them low and baggy. They're from Near Their Bar. These are from my mom's closet. Denim pinstripe pants. So cool. These are another ones from my mom's closet. Guess jeans, and they have this super cool detail embroidering on the back. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna let these go, honestly. I think I'm gonna let these go too because I don't like how they fit. Another cool detail jeans. My True Religion jeans, definitely keeping. I'm gonna let go of these. These have these cool button snap details down the side. And that's it. Those are all my jeans. This is actually amazing. I was thinking I would only have like this much space for more jeans. I'm excited to get my laundry done so I can put my new jeans in. Good morning. It's the next day and we're gonna move on to this side of my closets. This is a jacket that was my boyfriend's that became too small for him and he gave to me, which means that I have to keep it. This one's definitely a keep. This one I'm gonna let go of. I'm gonna let go of. This I made like 4 or 5 years ago and I painted this quote on it. Very reassuring. It kind of diminishes some anxieties about some things that may be going on in your life. There's not much you can do right now but be present and stop worrying about the future, man. Like, of course, plan ahead for your future and have goals, but don't make that take over the present to where you just miss the moments that are happening right now because you're thinking about the future and stuff. Anyway, how cool is this? Ego Matte brand jacket. They were having this really good sale. I think I got this jacket for 30 bucks. Yeah, honey, this is everything and more. This Armani Exchange sweater I thrifted in New York a couple years ago. That's the reason why I keep it. I think that I'll keep it. This is my cashmere sweater. Why is it hung? This is why you don't hang cashmere. I think I'm gonna let go of this. It's so beautiful. Like, look at this. Definitely gonna let it go. This is another one of those things I thrifted in New York. Let's get rid of the button downs. Let's just stop with that. Why is like nothing hung or zipped up? I barely wear it anymore. That is enough said, right? To like release it. Yeah. It's gonna be really nice in the spring and summertime. This I'm gonna get rid of. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. It's time. Juicy Couture green zip up. I do not wear it a lot, but honestly, none of my Juicy is going. I'm gonna let it go. I don't see myself wearing this, honestly. Do I see myself wearing this again? No, I don't. This is a definitely keep. Like, yeah, it's cool, but this does nothing for me. Everybody has to have like an army green jacket. This is like a closet staple to me. I love this, honestly. I really wish it was black. Because of this, the colors and the prints on it, I just never wear this. I'm hyping it up so much, I think I'm gonna keep it. Definite keep. I'm gonna let this go. I'm gonna keep it and try to style it with brown. This is a Juicy Couture jacket that was my mom's. Another one of those things I thrifted in New York that I probably won't really wear ever. We got rid of 17 items from that rack and they're all here. Eee, I love that.
you call me after a few things. All you say, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was it more than a summer fling? I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, but feel milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. 7 o'clock on the dot, I'm in my drop top, in the streets. Okay, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I pull up, anticipated, good love, don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hand in places I've never seen, girl, you know what I mean. They take you to a place nice and quiet, and there ain't no one that touch you up, ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and slow. See, I've been waiting for this for so long. Make your love until the sun comes up. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow. Now here we are, driving around town, contemplating where I'm gonna lay down. Girl, you got me singing why should I pull over and keep this thing started right on. I won't do
For the final phase of my closet clean out, I'm going to be adding my newer items into my closet. Let's talk about how we're getting rid of our clothing after we're doing these closet clean outs. I know it's the beginning of the year, it's springtime coming up, spring cleaning, everyone's getting rid of clothes right now. But we also have to keep in mind that a lot of the clothes that we are wearing on our bodies are made of synthetic materials, synthetic fibers, fabrics, whatever you want to call this. A lot of the times we're wearing plastic, just to be blunt. And when you get rid of these clothes by throwing them away, like physically putting them in the garbage, and they're going to the landfill, they're sitting there for hundreds, I'm gonna say that again, for hundreds of years. The clothing just sits there because it can't decompose because of what it's made out of. So it really is important to try to donate your clothes, give it to someone that you know, use the material for something else. Just try to do something, give it a second life. Or if some of your items have high value, you can sell them online. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm packaging up a couple orders for my Depop. If you're interested, you can check it out. I know Depop gets a lot of hate, especially on my channel sometimes, because I do mention that I sell some of the clothes that I thrift, but there are a lot of benefits to this. If you play it smart and you do things right, you can save up money to buy things for yourself. You can buy new clothes with the money that you get from Depop, or you can save up, work hard, and buy yourself a new MacBook Pro like I did. I am very excited about this new purchase, and that's why I'm adding unboxing into this video. This is what I'm editing on. I'm using it right now. I'm actually in love with it. I'm obsessed with it. I never want to leave it. Like, I'm always on my laptop now, editing videos, doing work, because it's just such a beautiful computer. Thanks to work and obviously the side hustle that I have with Depop, I'm able to purchase something like this. The last silly little thing I want to talk about is the fact that I discovered so much clothes in my closet that I forgot about because nothing is organized and everything was all piled up in my drawers. Looking at my clothes hung up was just so overwhelming that I didn't really know what I had until I cleaned my closet, and I discovered so many cute things that are just so relevant right now, and it just made made me so happy to put together a little outfit to go to the beach, and some of the clothes that I forgot I even had. That's so privileged of me to even say that I have clothes that I forget about. At least I'm acknowledging that, but we're not doing that anymore in 2025, okay? That was that. Thank you guys so much for watching my closet clean out. I truly appreciate your presence and your time. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.